Okay, so this is the bottom piece of the cushion, and I have squared it. It is 20.5 inches long and 16.5 inches wide. It's all squared. So I cut it down to size and squared it. Now what I've done is I have marked the 4 edges so that I have a way to orient myself on this and not forget where I am. So I have one of the long edges, I've marked the front, and the opposing long edge I marked the back, and then of course left and right. And by the way, this is the wrong side of the fabric. So there's the right side. This is the underside. So what we're going to do now is mark the 3 edges. The front edge is going to get folded and top stitched, and that is the edge that will be used as the place where the cushion is the foam is going to go into the cushion. So this edge will not be stitched down to the rest of the cushion. However, the right, the back, and the left edge will be. So what we want to do is mark those. And what I've done is folded the back in half, and I've placed a pin as a marker, and my pin isn't going straight, but my mark is right where the pin enters. So this is halfway across the back. Now on the right and the left side, we do not want a halfway mark because that is not where our straps are going to go. Our straps are going to go to the back of center. So what I've done is I have measured half of 16.5 is 8, whoops, it's slipping on the pin there, is 8 1/4. So that would be my halfway mark. I'm going to step back 1 inch from there. Now, if I had already turned this front edge under a 1/2 inch and top stitched it, then I would only go, I would go a 1/2 inch less. But this is where my side mark is going to go. This is a critical mark, so it's at 8 3/4 inches from the front, which is 7 1/4 from the back on both sides. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and fold this front edge under and top stitch it, and then I'll come back and we will take the next step.